Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Wednesday the 20th of September. I'm Nigel Croft. In this short video we'll be looking at the charts on the Nasdaq 100. What we'll see is that it's got up to the 6,000 level, but it can't get any higher. It just keeps going sideways. It's got big number syndrome. Has it got the momentum to break through? Let's look at those charts. So here we have the daily, and you can see the problem immediately with the 6,000 level. It is proving a barrier. It's the big number syndrome. You get this quite often with equity indices, FXs, stocks, whatever. When they get to a big number, we had the same on the Dow at 20,000. It just finds it difficult to get through, and this is what we're finding. Numerous occasions, 5 or 6 occasions, it's gone up at slightly above the 6,000 and it's just come back. This is creating a resistance barrier, and you'll see the resistance levels later when I put that slide up, but they're only just above the 6,000, but it's creating numerous resistance points. The momentum in the market, that's the problem. We haven't got enough momentum to break through. You can see the RSI, it's just going sideways. Yes, it's above 50, presently at 57.35, which is good, but it just isn't in an uptrend. It's going sideways. Excuse me. And very much like the index itself, it's in its own flag. On the index, you can see that we've created a flag. And we will get a break, although we can't say which direction it will be as yet. And likewise in the RSI, we're getting a flag. It will break, but when and in which direction, we need to wait. There's no indications which way it will be. And obviously, given the history of flags breaking to the upside and the movement on the moving averages that we've seen, and the fact that the moving averages are still moving up, still giving support, we would hope that the break will be to the upside, but let's wait and see. Moving on to the weekly chart, and here again you can see the flag. We found support at the 20-week moving average, which was good, and but we're finding this resistance at 6,000. Again, the RSI, it's higher than it is on the daily. It's just above 65, but it's in a sideways move as well and not showing any upside momentum. Here there's actually been a slight non-confirmation as well, but it's still well above 50, so we'll just wait to see. MACD have rolled down here as well, so be aware of that. But as I said, it's the weekly chart, so we're just getting a picture of the general trend from the weekly, and the general trend is that it's still up. We're in a flag, but there's every possibility that we will break to the upside. And on the 4-hour, here you can see the flag kind of extrapolated because of the 4-hour bars. We're finding support at that 20 average, which is still moving up. Did come down for a time, but it's edged back up. If we can hold above there, that could give the impetus for the upward break. You can see these resistance levels above 6,000 that have been created. Again, it does look like we should break to the upside. We did have a golden cross on the 2050 and on the 2200 and the 5200. So it's been golden crosses all the way, which is a positive technical indicator. Again, the RSI is just going sideways, slight drift to the down. It's at 52.79, so watch that carefully. If that dips below 50, it could start to indicate negative momentum. Likewise, the MACD are just tracking sideways. Wait to see which direction they go in. So looking at the support and resistance levels, the first resistance 6,004.9 from the 13th of September, and then the high 19.3 from the 1st of September, with the supports coming in at 59.48, which is the 20-day, 59.08, which is the 50. It's actually the 50-day there. So I've put 50 from the 4-hour on the charts, but actually it's the 50-day. So that's been TA for traders looking at Nasdaq. It's a market that we need to keep a close eye on. It will break at some point. That point will arrive probably in the next couple of weeks. It's looking like it should be to the upside given the moving averages, but keep an eye on the momentum. Key takeaways from the video is that the Nasdaq's having trouble breaking 6,000. Momentum is being lost on all the charts. Is it a flag? Will it break? And as I said, you need to watch this market very, very closely. Thanks for watching this video from TA for Traders. I hope you found it of interest. If you're not a subscriber, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. You then get email updates when I come out with further videos. Please remember these videos are for information only and are my opinions, and they're not meant as an investment recommendation.